Hi, it's Linda Bradley from Princess House with another special offer for you. So, did you see that the blender is on sale right now for $459? Great price, but I can beat it. Let me tell you about this item. This is our high power blender. It's been our number one selling item in the line for 5 years straight. It's an amazing workhorse that will help you every day in your kitchen. It has three preset buttons. One is for smoothies. You can make all your healthy smoothies. One is for dips and spreads. I've made homemade pesto, homemade nut butters, all different kinds of things. And then one is for hot soup. You can pour all the ingredients in here and it makes soup in just 7 minutes, steaming hot. Amazing. Hot chocolate too. So you'll find that you'll use this for so many things and you'll just love it. It also has a dial where you can adjust the speed as much as you want. So as I said, this is in the book for $459 plus tax plus shipping. But what I like to do is to put packages together to help save you money. So this is a package that I've put together for 4 people. I've combined customer and hostess specials to give you the best price ever. And this is just $370. And that's one of the best prices I've seen in a long time. That includes shipping, that includes tax, and it ships anywhere in the United States. You're even going to get a bonus. I'm going to give you the large scraper. So this is kind of cool. On the one side, it's really flexible. It's great to reach down into the blender or to reach into like a mayonnaise jar, a peanut butter jar. And the other side, you can see that it has a serrated blade and it's great for cutting sandwiches. So it's called a slice and a spread. You're going to get this as well. So you can make 10 payments of just $37 each. And once it's paid in full, it ships directly to you. Do not wait to take advantage of this offer. It has not been this low in a really long time. Reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is a Linda Bradley special, not a Princess House special. And I want to make sure that you get to take advantage of it. You're going to love cooking.